think it's quite overwhelming. I am very much excited because I cannot believe that it's our sixth recital.
Welcome to RMA!
Today, open your hearts and let the music carry you. Let every performance remind you that the world is vast. Welcome to Sounds of the World and enjoy the journey.
Hi guys! Welcome to RMA! Sounds of the World!
Handmade with love from Rocital. This is RMA's Sound of the World.
At RMA, we take pride in building more than musicians. We build a creative community where every student is seen, guided, and given the opportunity to grow into their fullest potential.
Continue discovering your voice, and of course, let's explore together here at RMA Studio Academy. Just be yourself on stage. Don't be scared. Don't think of any bad things. Just think of good, positive things.
The stage is the best teacher. So the more you perform, the more you get to experience the stage, the more you get used to it, and the more you get to know yourself as a person and as a performer.
I'm actually excited for them. Kaya lagi ko sinasabi sa kanila, you should be excited kasi I'm excited for you.
Elevate. I think we elevate every single year and every single recital and concert that we do. Let's keep elevating.
I'd like to join again next year because I feel like it's one of the best ways for me to be able to practice singing in front of stage.